what's up guys, it's Lenny and welcome to my channel. Alright guys, so a week ago was Chuseok holiday and it was the Korean Thanksgiving Day, and I received Chuseok gifts from my friends from Korea, and today I am going to do unboxing. Yeah, this is the first one. Now, Koreans love to wrap their gifts in cloth, especially in silk cloth. Now, this cloth is called 보자기. 보자기 is very special for the Koreans because they treat it as good luck. And besides that, it is a sign of respect for your recipient as well. Same as in the Malay family, you know, when you go for weddings or engagement party, they will have dulang hantaran and it looks much more presentable, right? So that goes the same for the Koreans. Wow, it's nicely wrapped. Now I got a gift from, this gift is from Dongjun. Dongjun is my taekwondo friend. There's two boxes here. Wow, it's from Hanok Village, Korean traditional sweets and cookies. Oh yay! So there's one more box at the bottom. Okay, so let's open up the first box. You know what guys, I'm really bad at opening boxes, okay? Oh, there's a handle. Wow, so it's easy to carry on its own. Of course, I'm not expecting things to come in one piece because it flew all the way from Korea. But it's the thought that counts, right? And look at all that. Oh, wow, it's jeonbyung. Okay, of course, it's not going to be a proper unboxing video if we don't do a taste test. So this is actually called jeonbyung, or we call it modem jeonbyung. So I will go for the first one. This is my personal favorite. Okay, this one is called buche jeonbyung. So buche means fan. So as you can see, this is shaped as a fan and it has seaweed flakes on it. So it tastes sweet and savory at the same time. Let's try. Bismillah. It's very crunchy. I love this. You know, if I were to make you understand or know how it tastes like, you can imagine love letter and what is it called? Elephant ears, is this? We call it in Malay like telinga gajah, biscuit telinga gajah, you know? It tastes just like that. Next one, I have the original. It's all broken. But this is the original flavor, and usually the original flavor contains peanut as well, like peanut butter. This is so good. Next one is the white colored one. It's called pengmari. So pengmari jeonbyung, it's usually contains a hint of ginger. So pengmari is nice for tea time. It's so good for tea time. You know, when you have like a sip of Earl Grey tea or afternoon tea. And this one contains sesame seed. I love it. This tastes much more savory. Last two from this box is kangjang. Now these two are like my compulsory snacks that I need to buy from Korea before I come back to Singapore. So the first one is the original. So this is made up of rice puff and also sugar syrup. Hear that crunch? It's not so sweet and the rice puff is very crunchy. It's just nice. The last kangjang that is in this box is the one with the pumpkin seed. and also some sesame seeds. This one is one of my mom's favorite. She loves fruits, she loves like seeds and nuts like this. You know, I can never do like food reviews properly because I eat my food very slowly. Secondly, I do not talk when I chewing my food. So yeah, I'm only doing this for you, okay? Just to share with you what I received from Korea. So this is box number 1. This is it. The traditional cookies. Alright guys, let's open up the second box. Okay, so the box is still the same. Now let's open it up. It's Yugwa, my favorite. Oh my god. Guys, this is my favorite Korean traditional snack. It's called Yugwa. Yugwa is made of rice flour and with honey and sugar syrup. It comes in different colors. So in Korea, they hardly use coloring. They usually use fruits and vegetable extract. And from what you can see in this box, they have different colors. So the white one is the original flavor. Usually the pink one will be strawberry or grape. And then the green one is mugwort. And then the orange one or the yellow one is usually pumpkin. So let's have a taste test. I'm gonna try the original one first. It's very airy. Okay. I like to eat Yugwa with omija tea, so you should give it a try when you go to Korea, okay? Now I'm gonna try the one pink in color. Yellow orangey one. Yeah, I think it's pumpkin. Last but not least, the green color one. I don't know how to express myself. I'm very happy because this is my personal favorite. So if you wish to buy this Yugwa, you can go to Insadong. So I usually buy this one from Samjigil. So if you go down to Insadong Street, you will see this shopping mall. It's called Samjigil and it's on the first floor. And you can buy this Yugwa. Very good and very cheap as well. So give it a try, okay? Alright, so these are the gifts that I received from Dongjun. So Dongjun, thank you very much. It's time for me to open up another gift. Another big one. This one is from Youngwoo. Oh, I saw some boxes. Kim. It's snow crab seaweed. Wow. Based on the box here, it says it contains snow crab. Yeah, it contains snow crab powder. So I'm sure it's gonna taste original. Why is it so light? Is it empty? Told you I cannot do proper unboxing videos. Oh, okay, I'm gonna open up one and try, okay? Okay, before I eat, I better read the ingredients. Kim, chamgiram, tekiram. Okay, this is good to eat. Let's open up. Okay, let's try one. It's very light. It's not salty. So it's good to eat on its own, and you can also eat with rice. It's good, guys. Where can I buy this? Usually I will eat perilla oil seaweed. I do not like the sesame oil seaweed because the smell of the sesame oil is too overwhelming. So I prefer perilla oil. But I think I found a new favorite. This is really good, but I don't know if we can find this in Singapore. Alright, here comes the last gift. Oh, terbalik. Wow. It's nicely wrapped. It also comes with the paper bag, so you can put it inside as a gift to buy it. I don't want to tear it. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I don't want to tear this away because it's so cantik. Okay, this will do, right? No, oh yes. Oh yes. So atas, man. So let's open it up. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ooh. It looks like mooncake. Okay, to be honest with you guys, I'm already full. So I'm just going to try one of the cake from this box. Okay, it comes in 4 different shapes. So we have the round shape, the rose, and then the one with the square and the flower, like a sunflower shape. So I'm just going to try one, okay? Tak boleh keluar. Okay. Ni tak boleh makan. I think it's lotus, or is it sweet potato? I have no idea. So the cake is dense and it has a filling inside. Oh, I think it's sweet potato, yeah. I cannot eat sweet potato, but it's okay. I mean, the visual, the look itself is very pretty, but to be honest, it's quite sweet. So it's good to share. Alright, that's all I have for you today, guys. My battery ran out, so I'm using my phone instead. I'd like to thank my 2 Korean friends for the Chuseok gifts, to Youngwoong and also to Dongjun. Thank you very much. I'm going to share this with my family for sure, and I hope to see you guys really soon in Korea. Take good care of yourself. We can get through this COVID together, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. Share it with your family and friends if they love it, and I hope to see you all very soon. Thank you. Yours truly, Violennist.